follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. I'm riding this. This is the Yamaha RX 135 and this particular motorcycle is from 2000 and belongs to Sunny Mahajan, who's actually managed to keep it in a pretty good shape. Now this motorcycle was actually the spiritual successor of the RX 100, which you all love so much. It gets a chrome mudguard at the front and you can see spoke wheels, 18-inch tire size but 2.5 inches the width, which I can't even decipher. It's so chintu mintu. And it gets this rib treatment for the front tire for better gripping. And you might be wondering, how the hell does this have a front disc? Well, this one has been installed aftermarket and belongs to the Apache 160. Meanwhile, everything is round, of course, and you get a headlight guard as well to guard against what I don't know at all. But round shape, which looks nice, and some amount of rusting has definitely happened on this motorcycle. Meanwhile, from the side, you can see there is the engine. It says RX 135 5-speed. They had a 4-speed one as well, and with the 5-speed 2 bhp horsepower was increased. I think something of that sort, if my memory serves me right. There are actually multiple keys, so the big one is actually for the ignition. The smaller one is for this amazing first aid kit. Yeah, and it has this signage as well, so I'm just going to put it in here. Okay, rotate it fast, you always mess it, and then I have to pull it from here. There you can see, I think there's a spark plug inside, but yeah, that's amazing storage space. Just shut this for a moment. My mobile phone won't fit there, but I can just use my pocket. Kickstart, of course, and it's easy to start this motorcycle. Meanwhile, there's a reflector on the side, which I don't understand why they give. It says Yamaha here, like a 3D emblem, which today's motorcycles proudly boast of 3D emblem. Well, Yamaha was giving this like long back and this sort of a treatment as well. Seat is kind of flat but has this sort of a grip pattern on it, and you know what, there is this thing to hold on to as well. There's a proper grab rail as well at the rear. Dual shocks, of course, and there's no disc at the rear. You don't expect that. Thankfully, the brake light is not a square. I mean, it is a square, it is not round, so something different. There says Yamaha there. There's a sari guard as well. And this is actually for the reserve, if you want to get into reserve fuel as well. There's the horn placement. A lot of exposed wiring on this particular motorcycle, and you have this chrome crash guard too. Yamaha on the tank. This is rusted, but this opens and this doesn't come in your hand as well. Prayer flag because the brakes are poor, so you really need that. Meanwhile, round shaped mirrors on this motorcycle. This is also kind of aged. Now this instrument cluster looks quite nice, but the key does not go here because that is where the standard, I mean, this was the standard keyhole of this bike, but the owner has done a jugaad and put one from the RX-Z or Z, whatever that's called, so that you can actually lock the handlebar. So that's an interesting bit as well. I think some changes here and there have been done. Now these are the controls for the lights, but this is for the choke of this motorcycle, to turn on and off the choke. Pass by switch, and the bigger key is the one which goes in the ignition, but you know what, it doesn't do any swipe up or anything of that sort till the bike does not turn on. Now you don't even realize that the bike is turned on. Of course, Faisal, that's how logic works. Anyways, let's do one thing. Let's start riding this motorcycle because I'm quite excited about it. How excited are you guys? Like karo video and mujhe batao. Let's go. Alright, we're all set to go, which means kickstart for the win. इधर रखेंगे हम, kick करेंगे. Let's get this right, Faisal. ऊपर से kick करो, थोड़ा जोर लगा के. Hiya, yeah, baby, that's how it's done. I'm proud of myself. And we are into first gear, and I have stalled it. Faisal, you're so terrible at this, yaar. If you were born like 30 years back now, you would not be a automobile vlogger for sure. कर ही नहीं पाते कुछ, क्या कर रहे हो? And off we go. Riding position is very weird. It's a very cramped motorcycle. Seat is very slippery, and I don't know, very weird for tall riders like me. Uncle, don't come in my way. I don't have brakes. Actually, why do I always keep saying I don't have brakes? Actually, the thing is, these bikes are so powerful now. All these Yamaha series of bikes, the RX 100, the RX 135, the RD 350, that the owners have intentionally ensured that the front brakes don't work, because if you apply brakes, front brakes in panic, obviously it's going to slide. And the other reason is that so that you don't push the motorcycle. You know there are no brakes, so you're like आराम से चलाते हैं, ज़्यादा उड़ाते नहीं, because performance है but stopping power नहीं है. Now it's very easy and light. I think this weighs around 116 kgs. This motorcycle is from 2000, but it was on sale from 1997 till 2005, and the real highlight happens to be the fact that this is the successor of the RX 100, the very popular one, the popular RX 100 that is. And then I think they came up with the RX-Z, RX-G and all that stuff, and then the RX 135. Obviously this is a 2-stroke motor, has the character 2-stroke sound as well. And there, oh my god, there are no front brakes, absolutely zero front brakes. I don't know how people operate without brakes, but that's not my drill. I can't manage without brakes. I need some stopping power for sure. Now we are here. Now let me see how the gearbox is. Clutch is on the lighter side. Obviously it's a 135cc motorcycle. Auntie, don't cross like that. You don't know what a dangerous person I am right now without brakes. Jokes aside, into second gear. So going from first to second is not the easiest, and thankfully the speedometer is not working, which means that I will not be egged to push it to maybe 100 km per hour, because this motorcycle will go 100 kilometers per hour because it does, I think, what, 115 kilometers per hour, but then it doesn't come back from 115 kilometers per hour. You might have to jump off a cliff or use air brakes like I plan to do with my shoes today, of course. Oh my god, the sound is so wonderful. But every time I go to the throttle now, the seat slides. Uncle, don't come in the way. What are you doing, man? Think about me also sometimes. So yeah, the RX 135 had a lot of character. Only thing is very, very, very poor brakes. This one has disc, but still, you see, there is no stopping power. I'm applying brake here. You see, it doesn't stop only. It keeps going on and on and on and on. And okay, fuel power delivery is a bit iffy. I'm just going to take a U-turn from a place which I think I can, but there I've stalled this motorcycle. अरे यार क्या ये फर्स्ट में आती स्टॉल हो जाती बदतमीज़ लड़की. चलो वापस चालू करेंगे. यहाँ पे मैंने डाला न्यूट्रल में, चेक करने के लिए आगे पीछे कर लेते हैं. हाँ, न्यूट्रल में ही है. एक काम करता ना, यू-टर्न मार लेता हूँ बिकॉज यू-टर्न में मैं वापस स्टॉल करने वाला हूँ. तो माइट एज वेल स्टॉल इट वंस ओनली. बट द बाइक इज सो लाइट ना, you can stall anywhere you want and then you can push start it like this. See, look at me, I am the Flintstone Rao. What about you? Anyways, I'm wearing all the gear today. I always wear it actually, but today is even more important because I'm so scared with the lack of front brakes. See, doesn't work at all. Here we are going to kick start this bike and okay, we are going to try once again. I doubt it's going to start though, but still we have to try because standing in the middle of the road is not going to help either. Okay guys, I think there is no fuel on this bike because it's kind of starting and then it's shutting off again. God help me. एक्सचेंज करें? मेरे को साइकिल तो मैं बाइक लेके जाऊँ. Since this is not working, I've decided to take this cycle and leave. And off we go. All the best. Ride safe. And here we are. And on that bombshell, it's time to end. Bye-bye. This kid has become the mechanic. He's trying to figure out if there's fuel in this bike or not. That's amazing. Okay, there is some droplets of fuel coming, which means the bike has fuel, which means I suck at kickstart. Kick आता है?
हाँ, मैं 4-wheeler लाइन में था, मेरे को इसका नहीं मालूम.
This kid is going to help me start this bike. कितने साल के हो आप?
14 complete है मेरे को.
14 complete है. Probably out of fuel, but he checked there is fuel. Few droplets. What's the issue?
ऊपर नीचे करने लगा था बस.
किसको?
फ्यूल को
किया था मैंने ऊपर नीचे. चल. हाँ, बस रिटर्न तक ही. Dhanil has managed to get the bike kicking again. तो मुझे follow करना. Forget everything, just get onto the throttle. Sorry guys, I need to go. Excuse me, rickshaw, I am not having any fuel in my bike. That is the sound of amazingness. Okay, now I'm going to shut up rather, so you can hear the sound of the bike here. Acceleration is nice, but you know there are no brakes. Is the camera rolling? Yes, it is rolling. Actually what happened now, Dhanil moved the switch upar niche for the reserve or something of that sort, and finally chalu ho gayi. So not only me who sucks at kicking, but that 14-year-old kid also sucked at kicking. I don't know what he's doing in school, but he should do a better job of turning on this bike. Jokes aside guys, this motorcycle RX 135 is absolutely hyped. Obviously it's a very beautiful machine. Crazy performance, no brakes, but you really have to maintain it a lot. The owner has a bed full of spare parts, not just for this bike but for the 5 bikes he has. So you guys already know about it. अगर vlog देखा होगा बाकी बाइक्स का. हट जाओ मेरे साइड से, मैं निकलने वाला हूँ. No brakes at the front, even with the disc. मुझे समझ नहीं आता ये how do people manage without brakes? For me, brakes are more important than acceleration because it goes ahead but it doesn't stop. I think it goes from 0 to 100 in 11 seconds. I will not go from 0 to 100 in even 50 seconds in this bike because मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है. I'm just so scared कि ये रुकेगी नहीं. Anyways, it's time to end. Thank you so much for watching. मेरे में तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. Here and okay, अभी stall होने का बहुत chance है. So let's. I knew it. I'm going to stall it. Bye bye. Yabba dabba doo. Another day, another kick. Gravity kicked in you. No guys, this is not electric. It's just gravity right now. 1 महीने की exercise 1 दिन में होगी मेरी.